Okay guys, we're gonna change out the brakes and rotors on this thing. They're pretty much gone. The brakes are metal to metal. So we're gonna replace those and the rotors. Parts came, we're gonna swap them out. So let's jack this thing up and get this taken care of right now. This is the 2016 Chevy Cruze. Not the Limited, just the standard Cruze. $19mm, guys. Okay, guys, we're gonna turn the wheel out. We're on the passenger side, so we want to turn the wheel out towards us, you know, facing out, not going in. So let's turn the wheel out right now so we can have access to the caliper bracket bolts and the caliper bolts. So let's spray everything down with some brake cleaner as well once we get the wheel turned out. Look at these brakes, guys. Metal to metal. Man, the piston is pushed all the way out. All right, 14mm, guys. Look at the rain, guys. Coming out on me. So I gotta hurry and try to get this thing dead. Okay, 1316, guys. Look at the brakes. Metal to metal. It's worth just changing when you hear them squealing, guys. Just change when you hear them squealing. Don't replacing your rotors. These rotors got grooves in them. Look at those grooves. There's grooves in these rotors now. So we're gonna clean this up, add some new hardware onto that caliper bracket, and push that caliper in. But let's get this off. Looks like it's an Allen key. You gotta see what size it is though. Let's see. I've tried a million different Allen keys on here. Well, it may have been a Torx bit at one point in time, but somebody jacked it up. It has like Allen threads now. Now I have to figure out. Yeah, it probably was Torx. In the manual it says T30 Torx in the Haynes manual. But it looks like an Allen screw to me, and that's probably why I can't find the size. I've tried a million of them. Okay, guys, I made me a tool to go in here. If I apply some pressure on it, that should get it. I got some grip. So I'm gonna use the impact, guys, and drill this off. Use some WD-40 and spray it. Nope, didn't work, guys. Didn't work. Alright, guys, look at this. There's the bolt. There's the back of it. So we gotta drill this off. I'm gonna try to go dead center since we already got a hole. screw this out the back way. So I drilled that head off on that screw and pop clean out of there, wherever it's at. Alright guys, we got that off perfectly. Better use them threads again. I believe I got a screw for this. We'll find something. Don't need it though. You don't need that, but we're gonna put something down. These come from the factory with film on them. An oily film. You want to clean them off with some brake cleaner. Otherwise, they'll smoke, or you'll smell the brakes longer than normal. Just some brake cleaner and clean both sides of the surface before you put these on. We got new hardware for this. We're gonna take this off. Alright guys, we got the rotor on here. We're gonna put the caliper bracket on now. Got the new hardware on here. Super simple to put on. So these has thread locks on them for the caliper bracket bolts. We got some high strength thread lock. I'm gonna use that on these. And I gotta get the torque specs. I had the torque specs in the description. Alright guys, we're back on. Get the torque specs for this right now. And I'm gonna try to see if I can find a bolt for that. If not, then we're fine with that. We're gonna see. You just pop in place. We're gonna apply the pads now. Alright guys, we got the pads on. Remember the one with the metal clip goes to the back. We're gonna pop these calipers on. So now we gotta look how far that piston out, guys. We gotta push that in. We're gonna use a brake clamp and push this in. I ain't got lucky. This is the old screw. This is the new screw I found in my box. This is perfect, and it's a Phillips. Perfect. No more problems with the rotor guns. Look at that, guys. So let me screw that in, and length and everything the same. And we're pretty much done with this side. I'll put the torque specs up right now. You got the torque and everything, torque wrench. And I'm gonna close this video out, guys. Yep, let me screw this in. We're done.